What's up, guys? So this weekend I'm driving 7.5 hours to North Carolina. So I need to get my car ready. So I need to check the oil, check the coolant, all of that, top it off. Just check how it's running and make sure that it's good to go for this weekend. So let's go. Okay, it looks like we don't actually need to put that much oil in. Just a little bit will do. It is a little windy out here, so let's do this the right way. I think that's probably good for now. This is still full. I know for a fact that they need windshield wiper fluid. Everything else looks pretty good besides, having a little oil leak, but what do you expect for having an old car? Yep. Thank you, so are you. Okay, now I'm gonna do a little cleaning because my seats sure could use it. Since it's a convertible, it leaks and leaks and leaks when it rains, so I gotta air it out and clean it out after every big rain. What it really needs is a good detail, but who's got time for that? I love when it's nice out because you can actually get to clean your car without freezing to death. Okay, thanks for watching. Peace.